Hello everyone, welcome to PasseriRC channel. This video I'm showing you my new development. Okay, you see on the screen now got some micro gears and some micro parts. Okay, I don't build it. Let me show you what it is. Let's see the size. Diameter 4.5 and the length is 8.30 something. Okay, and what it do, so it's a differential gear system. I think is this world's smallest, so please let me know. Okay, all parts is made by brass. This is the angle gear, this one. This one is the angle gear. Okay, and this two pieces is the shaft connector. Okay, so many secrets inside. So let's see what it can do. This is the prototype gearbox. Okay, powered by 3 point something volt. Okay, you can turn on your speaker. You see? Okay. So this new development, I'm going to put it into the race car. Okay, when the race car use this differential gear system, the length will be shorter, like 7 mm length, with a short shaft for connecting the wheel here, like this. Okay, connect to this wheel. This is the rear wheel. Okay, and that's a shaft connect with this shaft connector to the right hand side. When this one, put it on the 4x4 models like Land Rover, Jeep, Hammer, or Benz G-Class. Okay, this is what I'm doing. The Benz G-Class is coming up. So we've got 3 pieces of this one, the differential gears. So one at the rear, one at the front, and one at the center. Okay, so all parts will be powered by the 408 motor, and with one angle gear. So more or less I can tell you is like this. Okay, at this moment I will have more information about this. Okay, by the way, I need to say thank you my mentor, Mr. CK10. Without him, I cannot make this differential gear. Only he can make this watchmaking great of the gears, so smooth and so accurate. Okay, please stay tuned on my development, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.